Our top story now, the arrest of impeached South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol. Well, Patrick Falk is live for us in the capital, Seoul. So, Patrick, this arrest has been a long time in coming.
Yeah, it's been about 5 hours since things got underway here in the capital, and investigators have now confirmed that they have executed the arrest warrant against President Yoon Suk-yeol successfully. He was seen leaving in a motorcade earlier on, although he specifically wasn't cited as such. But, you know, it's not clear how exactly this all came about. We know there were negotiations that were going on behind the scenes. These were tense negotiations, and he has also posted a video recording saying that he decided to comply to avoid any potential bloodshed, but that he didn't necessarily agree with the handling or the legal basis of this arrest warrant. But, you know, this does allow the entire process to move forward. There will be a lot of relief on both sides. There wasn't any physical confrontation. The acting president, Choi Sung-mok, had warned earlier that the world is watching and had said that all parties needed to carry out this execution of the arrest warrant responsibly.
And Patrick, it seemed the police had to use different tactics this time to detain Yoon compared to the last time round.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, the whole idea was really to overwhelm the presidential security service. There were 1,000 officers involved in this operation today, and also the PSS had been warned they could potentially face criminal charges if they obstruct investigators and the police while they were carrying out this arrest. So, you know, it was really unclear how things were going to pan out. They had given themselves 3 days to execute this warrant, but it has been complete in a matter of hours. You know, the mood here has also changed dramatically. His supporters were out in force. We were told, according to police estimates, as many as 6,500 of his supporters camped outside his residence just behind us. They were in quite a celebratory mood earlier on, early this morning, but that has all changed now. It's all gone quite quiet. There was some somber music being played on the loudspeakers. It's not clear what they will do now, whether or not they'll disperse, but no doubt the protests will continue.
Patrick, it's been a confusing situation into uncharted territory, really. So the big question is, what happens next?
Yeah, that is an important question, of course. Now President Yoon will face questioning. The Corruption Investigation Office can hold him for a maximum of 48 hours to do that. They then need to decide at that point whether or not to apply for a warrant to detain the president. It's not clear whether or not that will be necessary, but of course it has been very difficult to get to this point. He has dug in, his legal team has made various legal objections, and of course tomorrow we're expecting the second impeachment trial. He wasn't present at yesterday's opening trial. The Constitutional Court said that they needed him to be present to get things underway. They did say that they were going to proceed regardless of him showing tomorrow, but you know, now that he has been arrested, perhaps he will show up in court tomorrow, and that could help the entire process to really get to the bottom of how this martial law declaration came about and to what extent he needs to take responsibility.
Leave it there for now, Patrick. Thank you.